So here we are on another Dale's 30. This is called the Calf, walking up at the hills. We follow this path up here, the missing path to the fell, to Lock Bank. Look at that this morning, beautiful. And so this is Lock Bank. So off out of the farmyard and up the hill. Through the gate, come to a division of the paths, but it's up there, this way, turning left. Look at that. There she is. Glorious. Beautiful. So up this path towards the crest. So we can see in the far distance the South Lakeland hills, snowy ones, out to Morecambe Bay, round up Dentdale. Glorious sky. How fab. Gosh, we're steep up, but here we go, up the path. So here we are. See there? Up there, Kentmere Pike, round, Land of the Lamb, Coniston Old Man. There's a trig point, painted in the details. Anyway, round, here she comes. Sedbergh, Dentdale, Whernside, Ingleborough, and round. Beautiful, beautiful. And that's where we're headed. Sun coming out. Look at this. How fab. So away from the summit up there. Look at this. Crunch, 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 crunch. Love it. Fab, just fab walking. Look at this. Glorious. At the fork in the path, we turn left up the hill. Look how beautiful these are in the sunshine. Right at the top of the hill is in the cairn. Now look at the view. Hills.
This is Arrant. We're going up Calder.
Going up this hill here. Look at this. Stunning. Look at that. Look at those. Look at this fence. How beautiful. And on down. Glorious. Ready to the top, I think. Very pretty. So here we are, coming up to the Calf Street Point. Look at that. How glorious. is this? Hallelujah.
This is the calf. There we are, the trig point. Northern Lake District Hills. And across the Howgills.
So ahead of us are rarely seen northern hills, as you can see. And there, the northern lakes. How fab. And then we're heading to trig point. Look at that. Look at this. It's a frozen lake. How fab. Here we go. Look at this. Look at that. How glorious. There we are. And off down here. There's Courtney's spout. Sun behind, how glorious. Wow. Let's come down that. Cheers. Up there.